Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just spotted a lizard, but it's outside on the front porch. Welcome back to my channel, Maria's Curls. What I do on this channel is natural hair care. Yay! So I have a 1 week old wash and go, or maybe a little bit over a 1 week old wash and go. I need to get my hair done, have it up in one, and that's it. It's a little bit frizzy because it's been a little bit over a week. So what I want to do is, when I wash my hair, I want to treat my hair with a straightening herb as well as a color. It's a natural color. So I'm going to be using henna. I'm using henna. Is it focusing? Yeah, I've been using henna Karishma for a while now. I don't use it frequently because it can be very, very potent, but it's really, really good. It helps to thicken my strands, my hair strands, and it strengthens my hair as well as the volume, and it colors my hair. It actually attaches itself to my hair shaft and builds up on my hair and make it actually fuller and thicker that way. It attaches itself to your hair. So I'm gonna make a mask, but it's not gonna be the mask I normally make. I normally make a very potent mask. This time I'm making a lighter mask. I'm gonna use the same ingredients, the henna. Did it focus? Yeah. I'm also using amla. I'm using the powder, and I'm also using shakagai. Can you see? Yeah, I get this from my local Indian store. I'm going to add conditioner to it. I ran out of my other conditioner, so I'm going to use this. It has argan oil and maracu. Oh, I was showing you the back of the conditioner. This is it right here that I'm going to be adding. Is it focusing? I'm gonna mix it in this jar right here. It's empty, has a little bit of conditioner, but that's okay because it's not gonna hurt what I'm doing. Okay guys, so right here you see me adding the conditioner to the hair mask, the herbal hair mask. And after I add my conditioner, you're going to see me add water. So you want to add as much conditioner as you would prefer, to your preference. I like to use a lot of conditioner, so I add a generous amount. And you want to add some water. The consistency of the mask should be not very runny, but not too thick. So you should have a creamy consistency so that you can apply it. When you're applying the mask, it's very messy. It also will stain things inside your house as well as your clothes. So make sure that you wear like an old t-shirt that you use for like hair day, and make sure you put down paper on the ground or do it somewhere outside, maybe on your patio, for example. But even so, still put paper down to prevent any mess. Like I said, it does stain. It's also a permanent dye. So here you see me now mixing the consistency after I added my conditioner. And here I'm about to add the water. So you want to make sure that there are no lumps in the consistency. It's nice and creamy like that. I'm also going to add my favorite oils. You can add your favorite oils. I have the Jamaican black castor oil right there and wild goat oil. My wild goat oil bottle is actually a mixture of several different oils that I put inside that container, including the wild goat oil. I have peppermint, I believe, trying to remember. I know I have some Jamaican black castor oil in there as well. I have vitamin E inside there. So just put your favorite oils in the mixture and get that creamy consistency. Then you want to close the container. So you want to seal the container up and leave it overnight. I leave it overnight. Anywhere from 4 to 6 hours for the dye to be released, the Lawson dye to be released. But I prefer to do it overnight. And then once the dye has been released, I go ahead and I apply the mask to my hair. So I would like you guys to stay tuned for the application, and the result video is coming next. I'm going to do another video that shows you how I apply the hair mask as well as the results that I get from the hair mask. You also want to make sure that you wear gloves when you're applying the mask to your hair, as well as be careful of not getting your skin stained, because it, like I said, it's a permanent dye and it will stain even your skin. It will eventually come off, but it does take a while to come off. So to prevent that, just like protect your forehead. You could put like Vaseline around your forehead and wear gloves when applying the mask.